Hi, my name's Craig Smith. I'm the Contracts Manager at BELFOR UK here in Scotland. I'm here to talk about a project we've just completed in Kirkintilloch. So it was a complete loss. It was a catastrophic escape of water from the loft that went unnoticed for over 4 days, completely saturating the building's fabric over both levels. So the main challenges were the sheer extent of the water ingress. When it sits for a long period of time, it can cause decay and mould growth to the fabric of the building. Our primary concern was to limit that and ensure the long-term safety and integrity of the building. Our restoration technicians were on site deploying advanced drying equipment while the strip-outs were moving forward. We used sophisticated moisture mapping to identify exactly where the water was trapped, allowing us to strategically place high-capacity dehumidifiers and air movers. By creating a controlled drying environment, it helps us accelerate the drying process significantly.
Hi, I'm Michael Martin, Operations Manager for BELFOR in Scotland. The way in which we made sure that the timeline on this claim was seamless was just constant communication between both sides of the restoration reinstatement. Our teams worked closely together at all parts of the claim to make sure that everyone was kept in the loop. With constant meetings that we have with the restoration techs on site and with the reinstatement element with the contract manager being kept in constant communication about how the progress of the drying was going.
Having professionally trained tradespeople here at BELFOR in Scotland is the difference between fixing a home and having it professionally restored. The team that we've got in place are dedicated, time-served tradespeople that are masters of their craft.
Hi, I'm Paul Harrison. I'm a multi-trade tech based in Falkirk in Scotland. Given the confines of the job, the physical confines of the job, and the amount of people we had on the job, and the timescale we had, it was done, and the quality wasn't compromised. It was a good quality job, even by the admission of the policyholder themselves. So I think that's what we excelled at. It was kind of quality first, and that was the driving force behind it.
On a project of this scale, it's massively important to project manage it. Being able to manage that hands-on means that we can cut down that reinstatement process. It's effectively a full-scale construction project squeezed into the smallest amount of time. We view our relationship with insurers, policyholders as a partnership. We continuously keep them up to date with weekly reports.
They give us the trust to go and make claims run faster from start to finish because we're in constant communication from day one, and because we can have that link of communication, the jobs move much more smoothly. We can react much quicker and make sure that the claim timeline is brought down dramatically.
What makes me most proud of this project is our experienced restoration and tradespeople that have been dedicated to the finishing this project, allowing the policyholder to get back in as quick as possible.